do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, would always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
heartbreak. We grew apart,